With this cabracho wood, we're going to smoke a beef sirloin, with which we're going to make a steak tartar, with that smoked touch. Previously chop up the beef sirloin finely with a knife, and we'll put it into a bowl. Cover the bowl with film, and with the lid and food smoker and the cabracho chips, we'll smoke it as many times as we want to get that unique smoking flavour. Once smoked, we'll add the ingredients to our beef sirloin to make our lovely steak tartar. We'll put this steak tartar in a recipient that has a cover, to which we're going to add a little bit of smoke, this creating a visual smoke effect. These cabracho chips are going to give a special touch to our smoked food, giving a strong, smoky flavour.